So in this video we will be knowing how to convert your provisional registration of CA Foundation to regular registration. So before starting the process, so you need to find your SSP portal login details in your registered mail ID. At the time of registering to CA Foundation, you might have given a email ID. So on that email ID you will be receiving your SSP portal login details. So generally the SSP portal login details will be registration number @ici.org, and password will be your mobile number. Right? Default password will be your mobile number. So if you are logging in for the first time, right, you need to change your password. So change your password and login into your SSP portal. Besides that, you should download your intermediate mark list or 12th mark list from the results website, and get it attested by chartered accountant or guested officer, or your principal, right, your college principal or school principal, right, and take a photo of it. Make sure that the size of the image is less than 1 MB. Right, so these are the prerequisites before starting the process of converting provisional registration to regular registration. So after completing these two requirements, login into your SSP portal. So your SSP portal will look like this. Right, after logging, you click here to access SSP portal. So you need to click here. Right, so after clicking here on the SSP portal, right, you will be so this page will be loading. Right, in this page you will see your details here. Right, the course you registered for, you will see it here. Right, click on the student cycle. Right, so after clicking on student cycle, so it will prompt that you registered you have done your provisional registration. So you need to upload your 12th mark sheet. Right, so close that alert, and then this page will appear. So click on student module. Right, so after clicking on student module, so click on other forms. Right, so after clicking on other forms, this page will be displayed. So click on profile edit form. So after clicking on profile edit form, it will take a while to load the page which you are seeing. Right, there are so many options. Right, you can update your name, date of birth, etc, etc, etc. So here we need to update our qualification details. So click on updation of qualification details. So after clicking on updation of qualification details, so this page will be displayed. You need to change this awaited. So while if you are registered provisionally, that you might have selected awaited. So while at the time of registration, right, you may not have received your results. So results awaited. So change this awaited to passed and enter your marks here. Right, and then click on upload 12th mark sheet. So after clicking on upload mark sheet, right, this page will be displayed. So click on browse, navigate to the location where you saved the attested mark list, and click on it. Right, so after uploading, this page will be displayed. So if it is less than 1 MB and it is in the required format, so document will be uploaded. So after document successful updation of document, so this will be displayed on your page. Right, click on close. So here close, or this close, and then this page will be displayed. you need to scroll down your page. So then you will see generate OTP. So click on generate OTP. So you will be prompted to enter captcha code. So enter the captcha code which you are seeing on the screen and then submit. So enter the OTP that you received on your mobile and click on validate OTP. After that, the screen will be displayed. So OTP has been validated successfully. Close that alert and then swipe to right and completely swipe down. There you will see in the corner I agree and that submit button. So click on I agree and submit. After that, it will ask confirmation. So click on OK. So now the process is completed. Right, your change request has been successfully initiated. Right, so here we completed uploading of 12th mark sheet. So the verifying officer will take time to verify it and convert your registration to regular, provisional to regular. So it will take around minimum 2 days to maximum 7 days. Right, so click on close. Right, here we are done with the process.